Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write ring text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to write ring text. Go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then increase the font size, go back the home menu. You can applying the bold effect. Now I am select the text box and go to the shape format menu. Select the shape fill and make no fill. Select the text, click and drag on our mouse and select the text effect option, choose transform. Now I am want to make the text ring. You can add the ring inside or ring outside. Now I am make ring inside. Then resize the text. Now we can see we make the text ring very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.